Morning class. I am your English teacher Aditi Day. As you all know, in the previous classes I have explained you in the reader lesson 2 tall and short the story. Today I am going to continue with the exercises also. So first of all go through the video, then you came to know that what you have to do today. Okay, so it will be easy for you to complete the exercises also of this chapter. Story is very interesting, tall and short, as I have explained you in the previous classes also, that Carmilla the camel and Gargi the goat are working with the farmer's family. Goat always gives the milk to their family and Carmilla the camel take the load from their family to the other side. So in this, Carmilla the camel always proud that she is a very tall in height and Gargi the goat is very short in height. They prepare a contest between them, and at the last Gargi the goat wins the contest. So it will proves that tall and short does not matter. We are fine as we are and good at what we do. So go through the video. Okay children, let's continue with the video of English reader book lesson 2 tall and short. Morning class. As you all know that in the previous classes I have explained lesson 2 of English reader tall and short. I have explained the story only na. So today I am going to start with exercises also. Okay, so this is the question number 3. Find words in the story which mean the same as these. First, not soft or easy to chew. Answer is tough. Okay, so you can write the answer tough, because it is given that find words in the story which mean the same. Same means you have to write the meaning in a one word. Okay, next is competition. Competition means contest. It is given in the book contest, so you can write contest beta. Okay, like this. Next is spoiled. Spoiled means damaged. Okay, and the next word is snootily, which means proudly. Okay, which means proudly. So proud is always in Carmilla the camel. She always show the proud and talk in snootily. So not soft or easy to chew, it is tough. Okay, next is competition, means it is contest. Spoiled means damaged. When you anything is damaged by you, it is spoiled. Next is snootily means proudly. Now question number 1. Tick the words and phrases that describe the goat. When I have explained you the chapter, I have told you that goat is kind, confident, sensible, and always willing to learn, means she always try to learn new things. Na? So goat is always kind. Kind means genuine. Confident, she always do her work perfectly. She always only give the milk to the farmer's family. Okay, so confident, sensible about the talk, about the things, and willing to learn, try to learn something. Okay, next is question is, what can you learn from this story? So you can write the answer like this. I can learn from this story that short or tall does not matter. Means if you are short in height or you are tall in height, it does not matter. We are fine as we are, means we are always fine as we are. God has created us like that. We are always fine and good at what we do. We always try to do the good things. Na? So this is the lesson we learn from the story. I can learn from the story that short or tall does not matter. We are fine as we are. Means we are fine that God has created us short or tall. We are fine with that, and always try to do the good things, good at what we do. Okay. So complete this work in your English literature fair copy beta. Okay. If some of the children already done, no problem. You have to add this word only and this question only in your work. Okay. In the same page. Okay. This question you have not done, so you can complete it, and this word you have not done, D, so you have to complete this. Okay. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in the class group or personally also beta. And today's your homework is to learn these 3 exercises. Okay. This 2 exercise and this question also. Okay. So complete it and send it to me before 8:30 for correction. Write it neatly, nicely with the help of blue and black pen. Please give one line space like this as I have completed, and complete it and stay healthy and stay safe and stay at home. Okay? Thank you.